Just left Jervis Bay, and we've just cut out past the cliffs. We've come out. Quite spectacular with all the sedimented layers, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see the sedimentary layers going. Oh, look at that nice gap coming up here. Yeah, it's more spectacular than I was thinking it was.
What makes the H for the distance, and,
And the shadows.
and where the H is.
Well, it wasn't far today, but it was a day of motoring. We've just cleared Bass Point. There's some pretty big waves rolling around there, so we kept wide of that, really wide, and now we're heading into Shell Harbour. We're really hoping these waves reduce in size when they get in here. It looks like they're starting to reduce now, which is nice because they were large. They were 3 metres rolling in. The trail of froth. Yeah, it's not bad.
And the waves just keep going. Bit of hair raising coming into some of these entrances. Let's see what we can find up here.
Lovely job today. We've had a slightly leaking toilet for few weeks, months, Joanne has been happy with, so we've replaced the seals in our toilet. And so we've just finished doing the Jervis Bay shaft seal and the outer seals.
But the reason we haven't done it earlier is because we haven't been near a marina and access to a car, so if anything went pear-shaped, we wouldn't be able to fix it.
Yeah.
So
what we've replaced the seals, and it's currently still leaking. We couldn't work out why, but I've just dismounted it again, if you zoom in. And what we found is I'll put a bit of light on this to make it stand out better. And so that's the little track. So this is breaking the seal. So we're just going to clean this up. I'm going to polish it again and then reassemble, and hopefully we got it. So we're just polishing it to give it a nice shiny smooth surface again. Not way too much than I need here. And we found a lovely way. So that is actually spinning fast. No one can. I can't even see it. But okay, let's have a look. Well, that's nice and smooth now. Time to reassemble. So here's the Jervis Bay video.
0197-0000.
Okay. Spring faces out. So here's our kit, and you can see the spring, if I put it side on, is on this side, the groove side, so it goes in that way. Spring faces out. Alright, that's in and pushed all the way in. Backing plate back on. Ooh, over tightened it. Pinched the O-ring. I saw that happen. I don't like that. No, it's broken.
And you don't have any other ones, do you?
Not in their kit, but in my kit I do. Yeah, okay, so that O-ring is connectors. So I'm going to say they're both connectors. Okay. Pick an O-ring, so imperial and metric. So I'm going to say it's
So that's
beautiful. Alright, we'll place those O-rings. The kit has some paper ones. Wait. Well, let's change the paper. So this works by, if that seal fails, the muck comes through the hole, obviously through the shaft, and then leaks out the bottom. So this is one of these is always down the bottom, and it will leak, and that's why you get the leaking on the under your toilet. There, alright, goes on like that. Alright. Then we have the impeller to go back on. Put the keyway that side. 332 Allen key. It's scary when you know the part so well on the toilet. Okay, it's on. The cover. Oh, the macerator blade. No. I made the video made it look so easy. They took their toilet motor away. These are always connected with wires.
yeah, I did it on the bench.
Let's put our O-ring back on.
Clean.
Yeah, still clean, still got silicone grease on it. It does feel bigger than it needs to be. It doesn't feel right.
It's not sitting in that groove.
It's got to get in there, but it pops out. It's in, but like it doesn't want to stay in. It does feel too big.
It is. It's like it bulges out one side.
Yeah. It's like it's the wrong size. If I did that up and it wasn't in the groove, it'll have a pinch and a leak. It's stupid. That's crap.
Well, the others have been alright. It's just that one.
So this has to be up 12 at the top, the notch. The O-ring's off. Alright, more silicone grease. I'll put it in the groove of this thing. Well, we're hoping the O-ring's flat.
We'll find out if it leaks.
And for $66 Australian, you think the O-rings would fit? 50 cents worth of rubber for 60, 70 bucks nearly. A little bit extortion. I would now strip these off, go to CBC and buy an O-ring for $2. One that fits.
So we're just going to
Right.
check for leaks. What? It's leaking.
Under here, look, it's leaking. Leaking straight through. It's actually pouring through.
Yeah, it's dripping out big time.
So it's pugged. It's not sealed.
It's just dripping.
It's leaking majorly. With the macerator pump shaft seal still leaking, we gave up and decided to order an entire new pump and get it delivered to Sydney.
Okay, we're heading, just leaving Shell Harbour and heading up to Port Hacking.
We started motoring, then we sailed, now we're motoring again. We've only got 2 knots, we've lost our wind. We're just passing Port Kembla and Wollongong. And our ship just here moved and anchored. That looks so much closer in real life. Imagine that coming at you. We're just motor sailing along, heading up to Wattamolla Bay, and just got a little bit more wind back now, but looking over my shoulder and the rain's coming. So got all the sails out again, motor on, trying to get up here, have a quick look before it buckets the rain, and then we'll be stuck on the boat. We didn't make it. The rain's coming down. And it's going to rain all day, I think. Bugger. May not be able to get in and have a look.
Yeah, it's breaking all the way along. On the other side. Do these waves roll right in? Look at the size of that breaker there. Oh, it's a bit sloppy in that middle section. It's breaking on the beach, so I don't see it.
I can't see it getting off. Unless you swum the shore.
Look at these waves coming in. It's not going to be flat. Look at her.
So we haven't used these since Bandy Creek in Western Australia, a year and a half ago, I reckon. A year at least. So we're going to do it. We're going to paddle in and check out the creek here and the waterfall. So put out the condition, I'll tell you that. Paddle boarding in. Hopefully you don't fall in. Alright, let's go. Jesus! Paddle! You can see our boat at the end there. This is all right. They take their fences pretty serious here. They don't want people jumping off the falls. I call it Darwin's theory. Obviously they don't take it so serious. Very hard to hold paddle and camera. You need 3 arms. I don't know if you can see it because it's zoomed out, but there's Little No Regret sitting out there, the only boat. And she's all safe. You're worried about nothing. That was nice and level, that was good.
Oh, listen to them.